There are many different ways to interface with AutoCAD. One of them is through toolbars. In fact, we have a toolbar set in AutoCAD that's opened all the time and locked in a position. It's called the Quick Access Toolbar. It's up here in the top left corner of your screen, and it's this toolbar right here. It's called the Quick Access Toolbar. It's very easy to customize, and it's always in the same spot. So if you go up to it, if you click on this down arrow button right here, you can make some quick customizations out of the box. Every command that has a check mark by it is turned on. These are all the commands that I see here. Now I can also check other commands, turn them on so that I can access things like my workspace, match properties, one of my favorite, batch plot, plot preview, properties, sheet set manager, which is probably another good one to get to, and so on. I usually will keep the workspace turned off, but I use match properties a lot and I like to get to my sheet set manager very often. Now, this is a great way to get to commands that you use often, like the save, save as, undo and redo, open, and new. So this is the open and that's the new. Now you can add any command that you want to your quick access toolbar. Now if I click on the down arrow here, I can go to the more commands option right there. Now this brings up sort of a smaller version of the CUI or the custom user interface. And this is very basic and very straightforward. You just scroll through all the commands until you find the one you want, or you can search for them right here. Say I want the line command. I find the command I want, I left click and hold on that command, and then I drag it up and I drop it in wherever I want it to go. And now I have it. When you're finished, just click on the OK button. Now if I draw lines a lot, I may want to put this up here, and I can get to it, start the line command. A lot of times what I will do is that I will add some of these layer commands like isolate and unisolate layers. Match properties is definitely one I like to put on here. And you can do all of that. I like to do that because yes, I can get to these commands right here in the ribbon, but if I'm in the annotate tab or somewhere else in here, I may want to get to those and I can very easily. Also, if you have a contextual ribbon that pops up in certain cases and you need to get to the layers, you can. So you can add anything you want to it, or you can just completely ignore it and not use it at all. And you can change the position of it. You can show it below the ribbon, put it right here, and you can fill it up with commands, OSNAP settings, ortho on and off, things like that. And it can go all the way across your screen. So the quick access toolbar is very simple. It gives you access to things that you can turn off and on very quickly, commands that you can use. You can show the menu bar with it, or you can toggle that off. And you can make it look the way you want. And the nice thing about it is that it's locked in and it's in one of two positions and it's not going to move or go away.